This video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to run Python in notepad++. So first we need to download and install the Python. So in Google search box write there Python, then you can get the Python org site. Click there, then click this download button. Then here you can see this is now Python 3.105 is the latest. So click there Python 3. So this is size is 27.31 MB. Click here, download. The file is now downloading, so it will take just a few second times to complete the download process. Python 3.105 version that downloads successfully. After that, click on this open to install. Now here you can see install this location app and thereafter click on this add Python 3.10 to path. Click there and now you can see setup progress installing Python 3.105 standard library. Okay, so this process is going on, so it will only take a few second times to complete the download. So I think 80% that completed. So currently it's doing Python 3.105 pip bootstrap 64-bit operating system. So now you can see Python, this is for Windows operating systems. So now setup was successful. Click on this close. Thereafter go on the command prompt. There if you write Python, then you can get this all these things. That means Python successfully installed. After that the next step is you need to download and install notepad++. So simple process only. You need to for installation only you need to click next for installation, and you can easily get the download exe file from the Google. After doing this one, the next is let's open the notepad++. Thereafter there this is the you need to go plugins, then after here plugin admins. So there you need to search here nbp exe. So you need to check that. Click on this install button. So yes to continue. Now you can see downloading nbp exe. So this is now 100% completed. After downloading, then you can see nbp exe, this all those things. Now thereafter let's write here print function. There I'm first checking hello world program of using Python. Now Control S, when you press Control S, then there is the new window that opens, so you need to save the file. So let's give here the file name abc.py. For Python we need to give the extension py. Press enter, then you can see on the desktop this file name is abc.py. That's saved. After that click on this plugin, next execute. So there you need to write the command. So I already written. So first here, so here cd for change directory, so this directory that move. After that Python and dollar file name. So Python is used to run the file. Then after click on this save. So give the name of the scripts. So here giving run Python. Now click on this save. If you press OK, then you can, if this correct, then hello world it's a display. After that, then I'm going to check this code. If user adding two number by inputting number from the user. So save that. Then again you need to go run here as plugins nbp execute. Click there, click on OK. So here it asking about the enter first number 4 and second number 6. 4 plus 6 10 is displaying. So first hello world it's displaying. After that assign first second number to the calculation, then sum is 10, that displaying. So this is how we can run a Python program inside notepad++. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.